Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store apps and then just make sure updated your Facebook official app and then go back. And now finally open your Facebook official app and just tap on top left corner, just 3 horizontal line, and just scroll down and see here settings and privacy, just tap on here. And now then click on settings, just see here account center, just tap on here and then scroll down, just tap on manage accounts. And now again click on manage and now just tap on deactivation or deletion. Now tap on delete account, then continue and again continue and select your reason why delete your Facebook official app, then continue and again continue, scroll down, just tap on continue and write your Facebook official account's password like, and then finally continue. If your password and then continue. I have finally permanently deleted your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.